From fiscal year 26-27, ICAI will enforce a strict cap. A chartered accountant will be allowed to sign not more than 60 tax audit reports annually. This issue is significant. Why? Because it exposes how professional regulations in India can drift into control-oriented frameworks without legal and empirical justification. In an economy trying to be investor-friendly and globally competitive, this issue risks undermining trust in institutions. It's actually a governance issue disguised as a quality control measure. The question that we want to ask is, does the ICAI cap, audit cap, genuinely improve audit quality? And is it backed by legal and empirical justification? What we found is that ICAI's audit cap stands on shaky grounds, both legally and empirically. First, the legal basis is weak. The 60 audit limit, which this wasn't introduced through any legislation or formal regulation. It traces back to an internal circular that was issued by ICAI in 2008. This was recently given binding force after a Supreme Court judgment in 2024, but without any gazette notification or parliamentary oversight. In effect, a professional guideline has been elevated to the status of enforceable law without parliamentary oversight. So it raises serious concerns about transparency, due process, and democratic legitimacy. Second, there is no clear evidence to support the cap. Neither ICAI or tax authorities have any data to show that auditors who take on more tax audits perform worse. Third, the idea of third-party certification itself is questionable. If significant number of tax returns face scrutiny during, face adjustments during scrutiny, then the real question we need to be asking is third-party certification really achieving its intended purpose? Professional advice from chartered accountants may be valuable, but making third-party certification shifts the state's responsibility for tax enforcement onto private professionals. So it also imposes unnecessary cost on almost 8 million businesses every year. So in short, this audit cap is a blunt instrument. It looks like reform, but actually it avoids real accountability. And it risks weakening public trust in professional regulations by relying on control rather than evidence. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you want to watch more such videos, then do subscribe to our channel on YouTube.